Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to cover the launch that just quietly changed how AI works inside companies, Claude Tag, and what it signals for the future of work. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this matters, even if you'll never touch an enterprise Slack admin panel, and what you can already do with this same shift today. If you haven't watched my last video, link in the description below, I'd encourage you to check it out first. You know that feeling. You open a new chat window, cursor blinking, and you just stare. What do I even type? How do I phrase this so it actually gets what I want? We've all been there. Prompting was supposed to make us faster. Instead, for a lot of people, it became its own skill to master, its own source of friction. Here's why that's about to matter less than you think. On June 23rd, Anthropic, the company behind Claude, quietly dropped one of the biggest shifts in how AI works inside companies. It's called Claude Tag. Right now, it's locked behind enterprise and team Slack plans. If you are an individual user on Claude Free or Pro, you can't touch it yet. But don't tune out, because this isn't really a story about a Slack feature. It's a signal, and by the end of this year, this signal is going to reshape how everyone, not just enterprise teams, works with AI. Let's break down what's actually changing. To understand why this matters, you need to understand the difference between two eras of AI. Era 1, the chatbot era. This is where most of us still live. You open a private chat, you type a prompt, the AI responds. It's single player. It's a conversation between you and a tool in a box only you can see. When you close the tab, that context is mostly gone. Era 2, the Agentic era. This is what Claude Tag represents. Instead of a private chat window, Claude becomes a shared presence inside a team's actual workspace, in this case, a Slack channel. Anyone on the team can type @Claude and hand it a task. Claude breaks that task into steps and works through it, not instantly, but over time. It posts updates as it goes. Someone else on the team can pick up where it left off. It remembers the channel's history. It can even work while everyone's asleep and have something ready by morning. That's the core shift, from a private tool you operate to a shared teammate that operates alongside you. It's not about better answers. It's about AI doing multi-step work asynchronously, visibly, and collaboratively, the same way a human colleague would, rather than the way a search engine does. That distinction, chatbot versus teammate, is the whole story here. And once you see it, you start noticing it everywhere AI is heading next. Now here's where it gets interesting from a business lens. For the last few years, companies have treated AI like a software utility, a subscription you pay for, like a better search bar or a faster spreadsheet. Useful but bounded. It does what you ask when you ask it. Claude Tag pushes AI into a different category entirely. AI as an autonomous member of the team, something with its own identity, its own memory of how your team works, and the ability to own a task end to end, not just respond to a single instruction. And here's the number that should stop you. Anthropic says roughly 65% of their own product team's code is now generated by an internal version of this exact technology, including reportedly a meaningful chunk of the code that built Claude Tag itself. That's not a demo statistic, that's a company running its own engineering org on this model for months, in production, before anyone outside the building got access. That's the real economics shift. When AI moves from tool I use to teammate that carries a workload, the math on team size, hiring, and output starts to change. That's not a feature update, That's an org chart question. So where does that leave you if you are not sitting inside a Fortune 500 Slack workspace with an enterprise admin? Here's the good news. You don't need to wait for IT to approve anything to feel this shift yourself. The same underlying paradigm, AI that works through multi-step tasks on its own instead of just answering one prompt at a time, is already sitting inside the subscription you might already have. Tools like Claude Cowork and Claude Design bring that same agentic shift to individual professionals, included with Claude Pro and Max plans. You're not getting the Slack teammate version yet, but you're getting the same fundamental shift in how you work with AI, from prompting one message at a time to delegating a workflow and letting it run. And that's exactly the territory I'm exploring next, taking this same agentic shift and showing you how to put it to work yourself today with tools you already have access to. If this kind of breakdown, cutting through the hype to tell you what actually matters, is useful to you, subscribe. The chatbot era is ending. Let's figure out the next one together.